Every captain fears the dark. But what if the dark feared you? This steel mast was 90 feet above the waterline. Nothing built by man could have done this. For the mast to bend, it was hit by a force that required a wave 10 stories tall.
The ship was the 100,000-ton freighter MV München. The conditions? Nothing near hurricane level.
This is Captain Marcus, a man who believed in steel and math, not bizarre sailor folklore. The official report read, "Severe weather." The real, untold history was locked in the captain's final log. It was a ghost, a phenomenon so weird, sailors invented a name for it: the rogue wave. Confidence is the captain's currency, and on this night, Marcus was rich. The sea was calm, too calm.
The Atlantic was lulling them to sleep. This is the weird nature of the monster. It never announces itself.
Before the wall hits, there is a trough, a sudden, deep chasm that swallows the water out from under the hull. In that moment, Marcus knew. This wasn't a wave. This was a mathematical anomaly.
And rising out of the chasm was the wall, a sight that no sailor, dead or alive, was supposed to see.
This isn't just power. It's the ultimate, shocking collision of water.
For centuries, sailors' reports were dismissed as delusion, strange history clouded by fear and fatigue.
The theory required a bizarre coincidence, constructive interference, when the crests of multiple, independent waves aligned perfectly.
Then came 1995, and the science moved from blackboard theory to terrifying, undeniable reality in the middle of the North Sea. The platform was equipped with a laser, not for defense, but for measurement, waiting for a wave that mathematicians said was impossible.
On January 1st, 1995, the sensor registered it. The impossible was given a timestamp.
85 feet. Not a myth.
Once confirmed, the hunt began. And what scientists found was far more shocking than one single wave. The oceans weren't just experiencing rare anomalies. They were a minefield, hotspots where currents and...
In just 3 weeks in 2004, satellite data confirmed 10 major rogue wave events across the globe.
The official narrative changed forever. The sea monster was real.
We build bigger ships, faster ships, but against a pure mathematical fluke of this magnitude.
Because the most shocking truth remains. The moment of convergence.
Before the collision, there was the moment of complete, crushing realization. Marcus didn't fear the wave, he feared the truth it represented.
The physics was simple, yet deadly.
That colossal weight didn't just smash the windows, it crushed the reinforced bridge, bending 3-inch thick steel beams like tinfoil. The last act of the monster was to silence the witnesses. Lifeboats, designed to withstand any normal storm, were ripped from their steel anchors.
The ocean is not a storm you can forecast. It is a physics engine, and occasionally it... When you look at the ocean, you see blue. The mariner sees a canvas of terrifying, unexplored...
Is the weird irony. The same water that sustains us also hides the mathematical combination for our ultimate undoing. Remember Captain Marcus? He didn't lose his ship to a storm. He lost it to a terrifying secret the sea had kept hidden for centuries. We've uncovered the shocking truth about the ocean's silent killer. But it makes you ask a deeper question. What other impossible natural phenomena are lurking in our world, waiting for the perfect alignment of chance and physics to suddenly appear? Let us know in the comments below. What impossible natural mysteries do you want us to investigate next? Watch till the end for the source links.
This wasn't a fishing boat. The München was designed to crush storms. But nothing can crush mathematics.
Every maritime loss before 1995, logged as foundered in heavy weather, now carries the haunting question: was it a rogue wave?
The only true proof isn't found in a satellite. It's found in the wreckage, where steel and glass tell the...
The monster is still out there. Invisible. This.
Share this story with one person who thinks they know everything about the ocean.
Many ship disappearances in the Bermuda Triangle were blamed on magnetic fields. But what?
This documentary was made using high-fidelity AI visualization and real scientific data. Follow us on X and Instagram.
The deeper you dive into science, the more you respect the power of pure, chaotic nature. Nothing is truly impossible.
Keep the truth coming. Click the video on your screen right now to explore the next chapter in strange history.